These are staghorn ferns, but not quite as we know them. Staghorn ferns can be found in tropical, subtropical and temperate climates in Australia, South America and Southeast Asia. The staghorn ferns genus, Platycerium, belongs to the Polypodiaceae family, alongside other well-known genera like Phlebodium, Microsorum and Oleandra, not to be confused with the deadly Mediterranean shrub Oleander. Staghorn ferns typically grow as epiphytes and can be found growing on supporting plants like trees. They have tufted roots and two different types of fronds. Their sterile basal fronds are disc-shaped and cover the roots, protecting them from damage while stabilising the plant. Their antler fronds are both photosynthetic and fertile, producing spores for reproduction in the summer months. And it's these antler fronds that gave Platycerium their staghorn nickname and popularised them as a houseplant. But these majestic plants have a life far beyond that of the houseplant world. Professors and researchers at universities in London, New Zealand and Australia have been studying staghorn colonies very closely and have found evidence that they may be the very first known example of eusocial plants. Eusocial behaviour is considered the highest level of organisation within a group of living beings and is best observed in ant or bee colonies. It is characterised by appropriate division of labour, division of reproductive and non-reproductive roles, collective care of offspring, and often the presence of a queen. Living in this way together, eusocial beings are often collectively called superorganisms. Researchers found that communities of staghorn ferns sometimes contain more than 50 individual ferns and work together as a superorganism, taking on or forfeiting roles to maximise the survival and reproductive potential of the entire colony. Some harvest food and water, passing nutrients along to other members, while others focus solely on reproduction. While Platycerium might represent one of the more primitive examples of eusocial behaviour, their ability to work together as a community is surely indicative of a complex collective intelligence. And it is easy to see why this genus has been so successful in its natural habitat.